Hey guys, it's Valerie here, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a back to school everyday natural makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Hold up.
Okay, so the primer that I'm going to be using is the Dr. Branded primer. Okay, so I like it because it comes with like this little tube. It's easy to just like, I have a mirror here, okay. Just like add some. That should be good. Then I'm going to use one of my BS small brushes and I'm just going to blend all of that out. Always make sure to bring that primer down to your neck. I can't believe school's starting back up again, like really soon. Literally, school just ended. Like, I don't understand. Where did the summer go? What? Okay, so you guys already know the drill. My favorite foundation that I find the most natural ever is my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 440. I just love this foundation so much. Like, if you don't have one, you need to get one. And I love this foundation because it's the first foundation that is actually my skin color, and I don't have to like buy the lighter shade because they don't have it, or go like for the darker shade, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna be taking another BS small brush. You can find these brushes on Amazon, and I'm just going to be blending that out. I didn't use a lot of foundation. I just want this to be nice and natural. Don't forget to bring foundation down to your neck and on your lids. I just don't like the earrings. They're so annoying to me. You see that? You see how my skin already just changed? Okay, so next step is I'm going to contour a little bit with my cream contour, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Match Stick. Okay, so I'm just gonna use just a little bit, like, you see that? Just like that. I think that's it. Actually, I'm just gonna do that. Just like that. I'm gonna use that same brush I use with my foundation, and I'm just going to blend that out. Just going to tap that. Because now you see it's like a natural contour. I like it. For the nose, I just go like this. Like that. Whatever product I have left on my brush, I'm just going to put it on my forehead. It's not going to do much, but just like that. And then, I think I want to conceal a little bit, but not too much, okay? Not too much. So I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Match Stick and the color Suede. And it just looks like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit right here. Just like that, that's it. And I'm going to take a beauty sponge and I'm just going to dab that, blend that out. Just to get rid of some bags that then I'm gonna go back in with my brush and just blend everything out. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Patrick Star setting powder. I'm just gonna take that and put some on my beauty blender. And you don't want to put too much. You want to tap off the rest, and then I'm gonna dab some on my hand just so it's not too much. And then I'm going to set underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna switch it. Also going to be taking a brush like this. This is a Andrew brush. So I'm just going to take that setting powder and I'm going to put that on the brush, tap off the rest, and do that same step and just set my face like this. Just like that. Now some people may want to add lashes, but I'm not adding lashes because let's be real, back to school, you don't have time to put lashes on. So I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in the color Carbon Black, and I'm just going to add some of that on. Just like that. And then I love highlight. You always need a natural highlight. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Cinnamon. And I'm just gonna take that, rub some on my hands like this, and just apply that onto my cheeks. I feel like this is one of the most naturalist highlights ever. It came, actually the highlight, contour, and concealer, I got it as like the trio pack, so like this. And when you apply this with your fingers, it just makes it look like so much more natural. Like, see that? It's not like a harsh line because you're doing it with your fingers. It's more roundable. Add some on my nose. And just some brows. And then no lipstick, no lip gloss. I find the most naturalist thing to put on your lips for an everyday look is the EOS lip balm. This is my favorite. As you can see, like it's almost done. Add some. And that's it. So that is basically it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next video.